Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, because basically this video will be divided into two different parts. In the first one I'll show you the option which is available on your contact list, and the second part will explain another way of blocking the number. So as I said, let's open the contact list, let's find the contact you'd like to block and then tap on it, and now choose the three dots icon. Yes, three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you whether you really want to block the number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. So simply tap on block if you are ready. And as you can see, your device will immediately block all of the numbers which are assigned to this specific contact. You've got this characteristic icon. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, just by tapping on the three dots icon and unblock numbers. However, let me leave it blocked. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back and I'll show you the second way of blocking the number, which is more manual. So here it does not really matter whether you'll be on the contacts, recents, or or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in this general section we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, this is our blacklist. Here we've got the numbers we just blocked and they are assigned to the contact list. We can also add the number manually here, so just tap on add a number, and as you can see we can enter the number and tap on block, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the blacklist. Of course, we can also turn on this option just by tapping on the switcher, and here thanks to it your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be helpful, but not always, I would say. We can of course turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher again, and we can unblock the numbers just by tapping on those X buttons right next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.